And today we are getting a bumblebee's nest. Look at all these bumblebees. This is awesome. They might be upset. If you've ever wondered what a bumblebee's nest looks like, there's some larvae. We gotta get in the box so they can take care of it. Look at the pollen pants on this one.
Looking at a batwing up close may surprise you. Their wings are made up of a thin membrane of skin stretched between bones that are equivalent to our fingers. Their thumb extends out of the wing like a small claw, which helps them climb up trees. You can see very tiny blood vessels and nerves running through this membrane, as well as muscle striations that allow for extremely delicate changes in position when flying.
Look guys, I set a trap and I caught the predator that was eating all my chickens. Look at this young bobcat. Isn't he so pretty? He's a good kitty. There's a kitty. I'm gonna take him to a safe place and let him go out of the city. He's not safe in the city. Someone will end up killing him. But not me.
Oh. Obviously there's a lot of sense and stuff going on with the dog lying on the bed and on this blanket. Apparently it's had a bone as well. So the snake's obviously come in. It uses its tongue obviously a lot to pick up scent particles in the air. And this obviously feels like, I guess kind of like a mammal of some sort. And the snake's grabbed it, probably wrapped it up, and then as you can see, I'm pretty sure it goes down to about here. Hopefully it'll actually regurgitate the blanket up and there won't be any dramas. Take your time. So if this was actually an animal, they would potentially do this as well.
Oh, really?
It's probably better he does it himself too, so he can just manipulate his... Oh, look at that!
Wow.
Holy smokes, he's grumpy too.
But you can see, at that point where he got to on the blanket, it was quite thick.
Okay guys, we're gonna do a little experiment here. So as you can see in my hand, this is a baby squirrel, and I've got a couple walnuts and pecans as well. And I've had this baby squirrel for a few days now, and he's just not thriving. He's eating, but he's not growing like he should be, and sometimes it just happens. Mama squirrel up there that I've been feeding pretty regularly. And I know she's got little babies because she's got some big meeples. And we're gonna try to bring her down and see if she won't adopt this little guy. Because honestly, his odds with her are much better than they are with me. So let's give this a try.
So I'm here picking up a snake, and someone called about a rattlesnake, but this is not a rattlesnake. Hi, little guy. Big guy, how are you? Ooh. This is a very large, unhappy water snake. You're alright, dude. I'm gonna take you out of here and let you go somewhere where you'll be safe. Because you can't stay in an apartment complex. I'm sorry. So I am gonna put you in this for your trip to your new home. Here you go. Okay, I'll take you to a new home so you'll be safe. Someone else in this apartment complex caught a rattlesnake, so I'm gonna go get that. Here we
back
go.
there, that's what she
yeah, I see that.
regurgitated.
I'm gonna get you in here with them.
Put it down on the steps. She's here to pick it up.
Here you go. I've gotta go release them, so let me know if you want a part 2.
Made so you bagged him. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet.